Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add HTML code in Wix website. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for wix.com. Open the official website, sign into your account, and you will be redirected to this page. Here, select the website you would like to edit and click on Edit Site. Now, click on the Edit Site button at top right corner of your screen, and you will be redirected to the Wix website editor page. Once the web page loads up, click on the plus icon at top left corner and navigate to the Embed Code tab. Now, click on the Embed HTML feature at top right corner and it will appear on your website. Simply click and drag it onto the preferred position on the web page and also resize it. Once you have done it, simply click on it and then select Edit Code. Here, enter the code you would like to add to your website and click on the Apply button in order to save the changes. That's how you can add HTML code in Wix website. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.